Glam Dolls, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So today we're back in my bathroom and we are going to be cutting my hair today because there is tons of split ends. I will be showing you guys 2 different ways to cut your hair at home. So let's get into it. So first we're going to just flip our hair upside down and make it even along the line. So you just flip your hair over. So you're just going to make it like all even around your hair. And then this one might be a little bit harder. Okay, so you want to get all your hair pretty straight. This one, it might be best for, all right, so this one is definitely better if you wet your hair. And you're just gonna brush it all around you. Make sure it's all straight. And then you're gonna get the scissors. So you're just gonna cut all along it. Just making sure. And pretty much you're just going around making it an even cut. And make sure they're even just all around. So that's the first way I cut my hair. That way it's pretty easy, but if you're still not comfortable with it, then next what we'll do is just brush your hair into a high ponytail, like super duper high.
Hey Glam Dolls, and I totally forgot to mention, the higher your ponytail is, the shorter your first layer will be around your face, if that makes sense.
So this one we're going to just comb it out. You're gonna make sure your sides are on your sides, your front is in your front, and then the back is in the back. And then you're gonna comb it out. All right, so next we combed it all up, so we're going to brush it out and just make it pretty flat. So once you make it flat, so remember you're gonna want this part longer than this part because this is the back. So it's gonna be cut like that. Hold it. So next I'm gonna take it out the ponytail so you guys can see it. So I should probably still cut off a little bit more, but I hate cutting my hair. I honestly feel like I still should cut like that much off. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys again. So again, we're just going to, so again, really high ponytail. So you can wet it, your hair if you like. It might be a little easier. My hair was already kind of wet, so same thing. I prefer this style haircut. Like I prefer to cut it like this. I used to cut it the other way. The first way I showed you guys, but I don't know. I feel like this way is a little bit easier. So we're just gonna do a little trim, so it goes like that. Yeah, that looks way healthier. And then what you can do too, so you don't have it like just go like that so it can look more natural. And that is it. That's all I do to cut my hair. I'm not a hairdresser. This is just alright, you guys, that's all I did. That's how you cut your hair. It's super, super easy. If you have any questions, just put them down below and I'll try and answer them. And that's pretty much it. So like, you see how the hair falls? That's how your hair should look, like all the time. Like your hair should not be sticking up the way mine was. And that's how I know how much I need to cut. I hate cutting my hair. I don't like getting my hair cut other places. If you've seen my past video, I forgot what video I mentioned it in, but a guy cut my hair really, really short when it was super long. And ever since then, I haven't gone to a hair salon. The only one I go to is one of my really good friends, and she's really busy, and I'm last minute with everything and don't think about making appointments and stuff until very last minute, and she's always busy. So I just end up doing it myself. But yes, that was the conclusion of my video, and just how I cut my hair from home. I hope it helped you guys. My hair feels already so much lighter and healthier, like it doesn't stick up anymore. But yes, so if you guys want to, if you guys haven't already, go ahead and like this, smash the like button and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell so you can be part of our glam squad. And until next time, I will see you guys on my next video. Peace.